Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you all how I stretch my hair using African threading. This thread we are using on this video, when you talk about African threading, the first thread that will come to your mind is this thread. This thread has been for ages. This thread has been far back, like since our grandmothers existed. So this is the thread that they have been using for to do African hairstyle, African threading hairstyle. Okay, so this is the thread. It's just that people choose to use wool these days because the company that are producing this thread are no longer making it strong. So when you're using it to do threading on your hair, it do cut. So people choose to use wool because wool is stronger than this one. So I'll be doing this African threading on my hair to stretch my hair because I have part 2 of this video, how I trim my hair. So before I trim my hair, I like to do this African threading first to stretch my hair so that it can be easier for me to trim my hair. So please, if you are watching this video, also try to watch the part 2 of this video where I trim my hair. I will also put the link on the description box. It has been long that I did this threading on my hair, so I'm so excited to do this hair threading for you guys, and I'm also excited to see the results on my hair. I can't wait to finish up this hair threading. I hope you guys will love this video. So stay tuned and enjoy this video. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to join the family and hit the notification bell so that you always know each time I upload a new video. Okay? And in case you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up so that other people can also see this video. If you watch this video, you will see that at the end of each hair, I always use my finger to fold the thread, okay? This is because at the end of the hair, you have little hair remaining. So when you fold that thread, you have enough space to hold both the hair and the thread. So the thread will help you to see a place to hold while threading the remaining little hair. So this is the last threading. We are almost done and you can see the finished look. So what do you think, guys? What do you think about this threading? Did I try? Did I try? I know I'm not a professional when it comes to hair threading, but I know I tried my best. So guys, what do you think about this hair threading? Let me hear your comments in the comment section, okay? If you guys want to kill me today, tell me what did I try it or not. See the next day, look at me flexing. Look at me, guys. Look at me flexing my, oh my god, oh my god, look at me feeling myself on my hair threading. You see me, you see, oh my gosh, my shakara no be here, oh. My shakara no be here. You can see how I'm slaying, how I am slaying this hair threading. Oh my god, by this time I'm feeling home, like I miss home, like I'm smelling home. Hey Kai, look at this hair thread, look at how I'm feeling myself. Oh my god, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel by this time, hit that red button and subscribe. See you next time on my next video. Bye.